Stand straight ate.
Stand straight ate. Okay na ate.
Stand straight lang ate. Okay lang na. Okay lang na siya.
Sa video.
Ay! Ay!
Ano ate?
Aray! Tama!
Relax ate. Relax. Relax. Ah, next time hindi ka na makano.
Kuya Beda na lang, Kuya Beda. Kuya Beda. Oh,
Ay, dire mo bayad?
oh.
Didn't hear on my head.
Kuya Beda.
Doa ka na, doa na.
Ana lang kuya.
Ganyan na kuya. Ganyan. Stand straight.
Yeah, two hands kuya. Two hands.
Two hands, Kuya, two hands.
Follow instruction.
Hi ma'am. Kuya, ang picture niyo ma'am.
Stay strong. Strong ba? Strong. Straight. Ah, parang bayad ka ba? Strong.
Okay kuya, look here. Kuya, tingnan ito kuya. Then, i-down na gamay.
Down, down, down.
Okay kuya. Tanang dire kuya.
Kuya, look.
Yummy! Yummy! Ano to, may bata? Follow the rules ba? I don't want to picture.
Hindi na tayo mag-Ocean Park bukas.
Yung medyo light brown is female, the black one is male. Two baby zebras, 4 months and 5 months old. And impala. They are a medium size of antelope that is brown in color with slim legs. Despite of their 60 legs, they are considered as the fleet runners or fantastic jumpers of the savannah. Of course, they can run up to 90 km per hour. They can jump 3 meters in height, and they can lift 10 meters in length. Only male have horn while female don't have. Once again, impala. And the older they get, the stinkier they become. Only male have horn while female don't have. And that one is there, those are eland, one of the largest antelope. And despite of their huge size, they are great jumpers. For they can jump up to 8 feet, and they can run 25 miles per hour. Female eland can produce milk 7 liters per day. That is richer in fat than a cow's milk. And on the other side, the one with a long and twisted horn, that is greater kodo. They have the longest horn among all the antelopes, for it can reach Ay, wala ka na.
Kato sa pikas ira kay murag wambak ko kita sa mo. Padol ko sa babae ko.
Hi guys! Hi, hi, hi!
Tiguang naman yun.
Hi, hi!
Para si GJ.
No!
Beda, look at me, Beda.
Smile, Beda.
Smile, Beda!
CJ.
Why they follow us?
CJ, come here.
GJ, your twin. Your twin brother.
Guys, smiling! He's smiling!
Yan ang mamaya na.
Ano ron?
Tungkuan lang. Oh, wait lang, later.
Thank you. Oh, blow na. Blow, blow. Sige, go. Go, Beda. Jake.
Pwede mo na yung